Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to remove background noise in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up CapCut and I'm going to click on new project, and now from there I'm going to import a video that I want to remove a background noise from. So I'm going to click on import. Here's the video here. So what I'm going to do is play this video and you'll be able to hear the background noise. So I'm going to press play. This is a test recording to show people how to remove background noise in a video or a voice recording. So as you can see, I've got a fan in the background. So to remove that fan or to make it not as prominent, what I need to do is add this video to my timeline, click on the video, and now on the right hand side we've got these tabs: video, audio, speed, etc. Go ahead and click on audio, and then under basic you've got an option for noise reduction. Go ahead and turn that on. So what I'll do, I'll play this video from the start, press play, and you'll see the big difference. This is a test recording to show people how to remove background noise in a video or a voice recording. So as you can see, it reduced the noise, the background noise, quite significantly.